Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. This video is going to be completely different than what I normally do, but all seriousness, they honestly contact me right on time because your girl has been feeling so neglected. As you can tell, I actually need to dye my hair. I haven't had my nails done in a very long time, so they contact me in perfect timing. So the brand is actually called Madam Glam New York. So they contacted me and asked me if I wanted to review a couple of things and talk about it with my subscribers. I will actually put right here, right down here, a coupon code that they're giving me, which is 30% off. I believe it's FabFitFun 30 to save you some money. Perfect for the holidays. So let me go ahead and show you what they sent me, and also let's do a little presentation. Obviously, honestly, like, my nails are little stubby little things. I am a stay-at-home mom. I do lashes, I do makeup, so I personally don't like having long nails. So I just felt like I needed, when they reached out, it was like perfect timing because I really needed something for me, I guess you could say. Okay, so I hope this isn't messing up my sound. So the one thing that they sent me, which I thought was really cool, is actually a mini UV/LED light. And this is actually what it looks like. I will also show you close up right here on the screen, which is really cool. I can't turn it on because it's not plugged in. It does need to be plugged in. But it's very tiny, and I feel like this is really easy, like if you want to travel with it, like if you're going for multiple days and you just want to have a backup. So they sent me that, and then they also sent me a Madam Glam soak off base coat and a soak off top coat, so a before and, like, you know, an after coat. And then they let me pick 3 shades. Side note, I actually have no nail polish right now in my cupboard. I actually threw all of them away because they were all so expired and gross and disgusting. I want to say like last year or the year before that. So I didn't even have nail polish in my house. So now I do. I have 3. So I actually picked up this color, which is called Pillow Talk, which is a nude. It's actually the one I'm going to demo for you guys today. I absolutely love nudes. Before I tossed everything, I would have had that kind of color in my collection. Then if you know me, I absolutely love warm burnt orange shades, so I had to pick this one up as well. And this one is called Pumpkin Pie. And then last shade I picked up, I had to pick up for the holidays, and I love this color, obviously. My hair, it is called Perfect Red. Oh, focus. There we go. So I picked up these 3 shades along with this guy. With these 2 came with it, and these other 3 shades I picked. They are vegan and cruelty free, and they do have a lot of different colors. I really wanted to pick a color with glitter, which I think will be my next purchase. But I feel like this is a really good system. So I'm going to go ahead and now insert my demo so you guys can see how I did my nails. Alright guys, so I started out with some clean hands, and I'm going in with the base coat. I'm going to go ahead and apply a nice layer to all my nails. Of course, guys, brace yourselves. My nails are nothing pretty or special. I am, again, a stay-at-home mom, and I just do what I do. So you leave it in there for 2 minutes. The light automatically turns off after 1 minute, so you have to start it again. I did go in with the color Pillow Talk, and this is a gel polish again, guys, so it is supposed to last for 4 weeks. So we're gonna put that to the test, and I'll leave that in the comments and let you know how long it lasted. And I'm only going to do 1 coat. You could do 1 or 2 coats, but after each coat, you do have to cure it with the lights. So just keep that in mind. Again, I am not a pro. I'm just painting my nails like I normally would, and I'm going to put it under the light for an additional 2 minutes. You know, a little messy. It is what it is. All right, and then I'm going in with the top coat after those 2 minutes. And then put it right back in there to cure. I was going to say to bake. I'm putting it back in the oven to bake. Yep, Story of my life. All right, and that is it, guys. I am so happy that they reached out to me because now I have a nice little manicure set that I could do at home. Anyways, I know this is different, but I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Also, I do want to add the link that is down below. As soon as you click on it, it will automatically give you my discount code. I actually do not get money off of you guys using the discount code or the link. It's just that they know that you guys are coming from my channel. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.